How to send message on RedNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send a message on a RedNote app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the RedNote app on your mobile and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, use the search bar to find the person you want to message, or you can simply tap on the message icon shown in the bottom right. Once you are there, simply tap on the person that you want to message. Now here you can type your message in the text box. For example, I will just write hey, and once you're done, you can simply tap on send button. And that's it. You have successfully sent a message on RedNote. It's super quick and easy. And with this, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.